Hello everybody, I would like to represent you a new platform called Astorgames, a e-sports and online gaming platform, decentralized games, sports betting and casino using blockchain, smart contracts, and plus probably fair. The Astorgame platform will enable players and bettors to carry out their transactions by way of a web-based application that lets users interact with smart contracts in a safe, transparent, automated, and decentralized environment, thus being able to control almost all of the most important aspects of the game and of the bet. Astorgame are planned to utilize these new technologies to make quality improvements and generate added value for the clients, establishing themselves at some point in the future as the leading company in the global online game market, as well as becoming a model of efficiency, transparency, and security as regards games, betting, and online fun. Astorgame want to change the esports world with an esport and web-based betting stage, created utilizing bleeding-edge innovation on which, as per client's profile, can pick amongst gaming and wagering. In the event that you are an esport player, you can utilize the esport stage to partake in matches and competitions of amusements, for example, League of Legends, FIFA 17, Dota 2, Counter-Strike Global Offensive, among numerous other that will be included after some time. The platform will enable all entries to be recorded on the blockchain and also apply automated algorithm-based contracts to manage the logic of the business, mainly to schedule prize payments, tournaments and outcomes, and to collect payments for tickets, bets, and drawings. All of this data will remain public and accessible for verification at any time. Probably fair enables the client to check and make sure that each game is played by the rules and that values have not been altered by a third party in order to place them at a disadvantage. And about the roadmap. The first and second quarter of 2018 is token sale launch, token distribution and listing on exchanges. Then May 2018, it's a platform sports betting beta release, then wallet release and marketing campaign. Then in June 2018, we can see official public release, sports betting, and FIFA World Cup 2018. And the last quarter of the 2018, that's Astorgame Zone Development Esports. They introduced Astor, an ERC20 compliant Ethereum-based token. A total of 100 million Astor tokens will be issued without any additional tokens. No token creation, minting or mining after the token sale is over. Unused and unsold tokens will be burned. In addition to being used to conduct transactions such as the placing of some bets and the purchasing of some lottery tickets on the platforms that make up Astorgame will also enable its holders to collect dividends annually. This information will be public since the addresses from which clients place their bets and purchase their lottery or casino tokens and at which they receive their winnings will be published on the platform. And now I would like to tell you about bonuses. At the first and second week you can receive about 40% bonus. If you buy 100 Astor, you can receive 140 Astor. Then in the third and fourth week, you can receive 20%, and on the fifth and sixth week, you can receive only 10% bonus. For those who bet on the tournament, a smart contract will in turn be created that will take the bets that are placed. Afterwards, the smart contract will verify these bets and the final scores of the tournament. After determining the winners of the game or tournament, the winning bettors will also be automatically determined, and the sums that they are owed will be transferred to them. If, for whatever reason, the platform were to crash, the smart contracts that administer the pots will return them directly to their respective owners. In order for this to occur, a second wallet address, which users will have from the moment that they register with the platform, will be solicited. Live bets allow for the placing of bets in a multitude of markets and the placing of an almost innumerable numbers of bets every second. Also, the web's response with time will be high, and the events will be updated in real time. In any event, bets can be cashed out before the event finishes, so that by doing so, bettors can ensure their winnings or reduce their losses. This will be very similar to how trading works. Those who conduct stock, bonds, or cryptocurrency trades may have an idea of how it is done. Some gambling houses feature fees, waiting periods, and/or very low odds. By using smart contracts, they can offer this service to people throughout the world without needing a third party to confirm bets and make payments and price transfers. If a bettor places a bet on a football game or a boxing match, the platform will open a smart contract and store the bets there. It will automatically verify the outcome, and the pot that corresponds to the price will be transferred to the winner. This will allow for increased agility, transparency, and security, as well as making it impossible for any third party to block funds or to retain the sums belonging to the bettors. A good sports betting house offers its customers a good gaming experience, for example, good odds, a user-friendly interface, quick payment, and transaction security. This is one of the objectives that they strive for at Astorgame: to provide good customer service, to be trustworthy, quick, and safe. And now I would like to show you the Astorgame Twitter, where you can find the latest news. For example, seeing how many of clients have joined this project lately, 40% bonus is staying on for another week. This bargain is just too good to miss out on. And what does Astorgame offer to the growing audience of cybersports? Well, virtually everything: digital distribution of favorite games, separate platforms for players and their fans, gift shop or themed products and accessories, and bonuses for streaming. That's all I wanted to tell you today, and who is interested in this project, come and invest, and the huge profit to you. All the best.